Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. I have come again with a new video for you guys. Friends, before starting the video, I would like to tell you one thing that I am from India and Hindi language is used more in India. That's why my English is not as good as yours. But trust me, I am trying to improve my English and I will improve my English language very soon. If you do not understand my English, then please cooperate until I can improve my English language. And you can also use subtitles for better experience. So without any delay, let's start today's video. Seeing the thumbnail of the video, you must have to come know that on which topic we are going to talk today. Today we are going to talk 5 such apps that must be in your mobile, computer or laptop if you are a YouTube creator. You must have these 5 apps because without them you cannot do anything on YouTube. Maybe you have already these 5 apps. Whether you have these 5 apps or not, do tell me in the comments after end of the video. If you are also a YouTube creator and you also make videos on YouTube, so you have to record the video first. And if you do not have an expensive camera to record the video, then there is nothing to worry about. You can record video from your mobile itself, that too in good quality. So the default camera app that already comes in your mobile, you cannot record video in it because there is no option to connect an external mic in it. So now what you have to do to record video, which is our first app of today, whose name is Open Camera. You can download it and record video because in this you have also been given the option to connect external mic, and with this you have been given many settings in this app which are required to record videos. I have given the link of this app in the description. You can download this app from there. So let's move on to our second app. Now you have recorded the video, but you have to edit that video. Am I right? You cannot upload it on YouTube like this. If you want to good views, then you have to edit that. So you can also use KineMaster to edit the video, but you will get to see the watermark in it. And you will have to pay some money to remove the watermark. But if you want to edit video in HD quality without spending money, then you can use our second app whose name is VN Video Editor. In this app, you will get all the options which are needed to edit a good video, and you will not even see any watermark in this app. I have also given the link of this app in the description. You can download it from there. Now you have recorded and edited the video, but now you will need a thumbnail to upload it to YouTube because there is only one thumbnail which makes your video different from others' videos. Someone clicks on your videos just by looking at the thumbnail. Your video becomes viral only because of thumbnail, and it is because of thumbnail that views come on your videos, because you also click on others videos only when you like the thumbnail of that video. So now you must have understood how important thumbnail is for video. You can also make thumbnail with PixArt, but there the quality of your thumbnail goes down. So if you also want to make a good quality thumbnail to make your videos viral, then you can use our third app whose name is Pixel Lab. In Pixel Lab, you can make a thumbnail of HD quality, that too very easily. I have also given the link of this app in the description. Now you can download it by going there. Now moving on to our fourth app. Now you have recorded the video, edited it and also made its thumbnail. Now you have to put title, description and tags in the video before uploading the video on YouTube. Otherwise, how will people know on which topic your video is? And from all these three, your video comes in YouTube search. From these three, YouTube also knows on which topic your video is. What are you trying to tell in the video? So today our fourth app named Tubebuddy is related to this. In the Tubebuddy app, you can find out here how is your title, how is your description, and the Tubebuddy app also suggests you tags according to your title. You can also use those tags in your videos. After using the tags, the TubeBuddy app itself tells you which of your tags is ranking at which number on YouTube. And here the app is absolutely free. I have also given the link of this app in the description. You can download it from there. So now our app which comes on number 5, it is the most important app. You cannot do anything on YouTube without it. And I think many people will have the app here too. You will definitely get to see one here in every YouTube creator's phone. So the name of that app is YouTube Creator Studio. Without this app, you cannot manage your YouTube channel. In this app, you will get all the information related to your YouTube channel, like how many subscribers you have, how many views have come on your videos, who has commented, who has liked, who has disliked, which video has gone viral, your earning, how much is your lifetime earning, which of your videos from YouTube have got you more subscribers, how much is your watch time, in which country your video is being watched more, which country you have more audience, and you also get to see a lot in this app for free, meaning you can get all the information about your YouTube channel from this app. From the time you started YouTube channel till now, you get all the information in this app. So friends, here were our 5 apps that you must have if you are a YouTube creator. I have given the link of these 5 apps in my description. You can download them from there. And the best thing I found about this app here is that it is all free. Yes, it is absolutely free. You can download and use them for free, and you can grow your YouTube channel quickly. This app will help you a lot in growing your YouTube channel. So friends, if you liked this video and you want to see more such videos in future, then you can subscribe to our channel and write I am subscribed in the comment. I will definitely reply to the first 50 comments. I keep on bringing videos related to YouTube tips and tricks, online earning, jobs, business, and many more on this channel. So that's all in today's video. See you again in the next video. Take care, friends.